Hi there everyone, Josiah here with Womprat Creations, and it is time for a show and tell. Now, I've been showing you guys my Boba Fett cosplay piece by piece. Now it is time to put it all together for you guys. And to help me with that, I have my buddy here. All right, you guys, I have almost everything on here. Careful viewers will notice that there are a few things missing. The one thing that I will address that is missing that I do have that I didn't put on here is the jetpack. I didn't put on the jetpack, and that is because I need to reconstruct the harness that holds the jetpack on Fett's back. So that's why I didn't put the jetpack on. One day I will construct the harness and I will put the jetpack on and I will show you guys all of that. But this is super, super cool. Obviously much taller than I am. And actually, I think if I'm correct, I am closer to the original Boba Fett actor's height than this is. But that's okay. It's a display. I don't need it to be height accurate. Yeah, I mean, this thing worked out just fine. I was a little worried when I saw how tall the mannequin was, because I'm obviously quite a bit shorter. I was worried about everything fitting on here. And luckily, any kind of snugness I was able to kind of hide for the most part, because this is quite a layered costume. So everything worked out okay in the end. I'm not super happy with the articulation on the fingers for holding the rifle, but that's okay. It looks fine from a distance. I used some zip ties to secure that in place, and I am super, super happy with this. And now I need to find a place for Boba here in the shop, because my wife would kill me if I tried to make this a permanent installation in the main house anywhere. It's not going to fly. So I need to find somewhere here in the shop for Boba to live and stand over and watch. But this is super cool. I'm excited that I now have a way to display my Boba Fett cosplay, and I'm glad that I was finally able to show you guys all of the pieces that I have put together all together without me wearing it, because that would it would have been a difficult video to shoot, me putting all of this on. So I'm glad that you guys got to finally see it all put together. Thank you guys so much for tuning in for this week's show and tell. Until next time, I'll see you guys later. Hey, if you enjoyed today's video, make sure that you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell right next to it. That lets you know every time that we come out with a video so that you don't miss a thing, and it really helps us out with keeping the lights on over here. Thanks, guys.
517 to scanner control. 517 to scanner control. 316, report to control. 53 to upper bay door. 53 to upper bay door.